everybody, it's Reina with Double TI, and I'm so happy to show you my delicious perfume. It's the Get Seductive, and I love this fragrance. It's a combination between woody and floral, and the ingredients that I love the most of this perfume is the jasmine and vanilla, and the woody parts. It's very delicious. And you might not believe it, but I have almost a year with this perfume, and I still have plenty left. Because with just one spray behind my ears, my neck, and wrist, I can smell good for all the day, and I love that part. Also, the border, like you see here, is very beautiful. I think it's like a part of the combination of my room because it's very beautiful. So if you're looking for a good perfume, I definitely recommend this one because it's delicious, believe me. And that is my point of view.